Hi everybody, it's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com, and today we're in Los Angeles, and I'm thrilled to be joined by Dr. Joanna Chikwe, who is the founding chair of cardiac surgery at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. Dr. Chikwe, it is great to see you again.
Great to see you, Adam.
Yeah, so we're here, we're in your office. Why not take this time to do something we love to do, which is answer patient questions. And we got a great one that came in from Ted literally about an hour ago. And the question was, how do cardiac surgeons stop the heart so they can repair or replace a defective heart valve?
Amazing question. We need to do essentially two things. The first thing we do is we connect the patient to a heart-lung machine that takes over the function of the beating heart and the lungs. And then the second thing is stopping the heart, which we can do safely at that point by injecting a solution with potassium in it that is very cold into the heart instead of its normal blood supply, and that stops it. And the miracle is that as soon as you replace its normal blood supply, it starts again.
Wow. And so I've got to ask you a follow-up, which is I'm sure patients are watching this and they're wondering, is this safe to do for the period of time in which you are repairing or replacing the valves?
When patients ask me that in the office, I always use the analogy of flying from Los Angeles to New York or to London, which happens thousands of times a year. You wouldn't think that 300 people could get in a metal tin can, go down a runway at 600 miles an hour, take off and land, and yet we do it. And heart surgery is so refined and so sophisticated these days that it's amazingly safe.
Wow. Well, Dr. Chikwe, I can't thank you enough for answering that question. Ted, I hope that helped you. I know that helped me. And Dr. Chikwe, on behalf of everybody in our community, thanks for everything you and your team are doing here to stop the hearts safely, fix them, and then restart them. Great seeing you again.
Thank you, Adam.
Hi, everybody, it's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the next two educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.